welcome back. In case you missed it, I'm sharing a very simple and beautiful low bun, the perfect updo for any special occasion. Let's get started. Begin by sectioning off the hair framing your face, which is about the hair that's 1 centimeter back from your hairline. Next, gather your hair from underneath where you want your bun to sit, and gathering from underneath will maintain all of that beautiful volume. Then with a comb, just smooth up all of the hair at your neckline. Time to secure your ponytail. I used my bungee, so you secure one pin at the top while you wrap the other one around, and then you slide it up through the bottom. But a hair elastic works great too. Now, once secure, pinch and pull on small sections of hair around your crown to add even more volume, but you can also keep this sleek and straight. It's up to you. To secure the bun, I love to use French pins. I find they work best, and I just like to bend them to the shape of my head. For the bun, divide your ponytail down the middle into 2 equal sections, and you want to tie these into a knot. So bring your right section over your left, and then flip your left section up, pulling it tightly through that hole. And see that right side of the knot? You want that sitting at the bottom, so just slightly rotate it to the right and then pull on the sides to fan it out. And this will create your bun shape. Next, bring your ends up the left, joining them into your other section, and just tightly twist them together. And then you want to wrap them counterclockwise, trying to keep them underneath your bun. Once they're wrapped, hold everything tightly in place, and you can continue fanning out your bun to loosen it up. Then begin securing the outside of your bun to your head by sliding your pins through the outside of your bun, towards your head, and then in towards the center. Now, if you have any longer face framing pieces, what I love to do is slide a bobby pin into them at about chin height, twist it away from your face, and then slide it in at the bottom of your bun, and this will create that wispy, effortless look. There we have it. I'd love to know what you think, and if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And for more hair inspiration, check the links in the description. But thank you so much for watching. Bye.